Want to keep your heart healthy and your arteries in tip-top shape? Today, we're diving into 8 powerful foods that can help unclog your arteries naturally and prevent heart issues. Heart health starts with what you eat, and these foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients to keep your arteries clean and your heart strong. Let's dive right in. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on more simple, life-changing health tips. Okay, quick science lesson. Arteries are like highways for your blood, carrying oxygen-rich blood from your heart to every part of your body, your brain, your toes, everywhere. But here's the problem. Over time, things like poor diet, stress, and lack of exercise can clog those highways, leading to a serious risk of heart attacks or strokes. The good news? A lot of that damage can be avoided, starting with what's on your plate. Ready to learn more? Let's go. 1. Fish. First on the list is fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, tuna, and trout. These are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Both of these are key to keeping your arteries clear. Research shows that people who include 2 or more servings of fatty fish in their weekly diet enjoy better cardiovascular health. If you're not a fan of fish, consider adding fish oil supplements to your routine. But nothing beats the real thing. So whether you grill it, bake it, or toss it in a salad, fish is a fantastic way to give your heart some love. 2. Citrus fruits. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons. Citrus fruits are like nature's candy for your heart. These fruits are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which help protect your arteries from damage. Studies have found that citrus fruits can lower blood pressure, reduce arterial stiffness, and even prevent clogging over time. Grapefruits, in particular, contain viscous fiber that helps keep cholesterol levels in check. Start your day with a refreshing piece of citrus or a glass of fresh squeezed juice. Just 1 serving a day can make a difference. 3. Walnuts. Next up, walnuts. These crunchy little snacks are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're full of healthy fats, antioxidants, and omega-3s, making them great for reducing inflammation and improving artery function. One study even found that walnuts work better than olive oil at protecting your arteries after a high-fat meal. If you're looking for a heart-healthy snack, grab a handful of walnuts. Just a small portion, about 8 shelled walnuts, is enough to reap the benefits. 4. Flax seeds. Flax seeds may be small, but they pack a mighty punch when it comes to heart health. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and phytoestrogens, all of which help reduce cholesterol and improve arterial health. Adding ground flax seeds to your diet is super easy. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix them into smoothies, or even bake them into your favorite bread or muffins. Consistency is key, so find a way to incorporate flax seeds into your daily routine. Turmeric. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that does it all. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been studied extensively for its ability to improve heart health and protect against conditions like atherosclerosis. You can add turmeric to soups, teas, or even golden milk lattes. It's a versatile ingredient that not only boosts flavor, but also keeps your arteries healthy. Make it a regular part of your diet, and your heart will thank you. 6. Green tea. Green tea is another incredible addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps improve blood vessel function, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that drinking 5 cups of green tea daily can significantly lower your risk of heart attacks and strokes. If 5 cups sound like too much, start with 1 or 2. Replace sugary drinks with green tea, and you'll not only support your heart, but also enjoy a refreshing, low-calorie beverage. 7. Cinnamon. Who doesn't love the warm, comforting flavor of cinnamon? This spice isn't just delicious, it's also great for your heart. Cinnamon has been shown to lower blood sugar, reduce cholesterol, and improve overall heart health. You can sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, add it to your coffee, or even use it in savory dishes. Just make sure you're using natural cinnamon and not cinnamon-flavored sugar. A little goes a long way when it comes to this heart-friendly spice. 8. Pomegranates. Last but not least, let's talk about pomegranates. This vibrant, juicy fruit is packed with antioxidants that protect your arteries from damage and improve blood flow. Pomegranates also support nitric oxide production, which helps keep your blood vessels relaxed and healthy. Whether you enjoy the seeds on their own, mix them into salads, or drink pomegranate juice, this fruit is a delicious way to support your heart health. Now, let's wrap things up. Keeping your arteries healthy and preventing heart issues doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these 8 foods into your diet, you're taking simple but powerful steps toward better heart health. Remember, small changes add up over time. Combine these heart-healthy foods with regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep, and you'll be giving your heart the care it deserves. What's your favorite heart-healthy food? Or do you have any go-to tips for keeping your heart in shape? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy health tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you.